How to give feedback in the Waymo app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. There's a different page of article about feedback in the Waymo website. Here, as it's written, when you open the feedback, it will automatically attach a timestamp and screenshot to better help us troubleshoot and for contact support with any comments. Complaints, use the in-car screens or the help tab in the Waymo app to direct service complaints as well. And if you scroll down at the bottom to give feedback through your app, you can simply go to Waymo, and after your ride finishes, you can simply click on feedback option and give them feedback. This is how to give feedback in the Waymo app. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.